Welcome to Winter's Easel. We have rebranded ourselves, I guess you could say, as Winter's Easel Van Life. We've begun a new chapter. We will still have some adventures, but until she has her build complete, this will be a series of how I refit and add living space components to this van known as Spaz VanGo. She's a 2005 four-door Chevy Express 1500 all-wheel drive passenger van. Yep, she has some age on her, but so do I. She also has some upgrades that I seem to be lacking. So it begins. Well, to start out, just a little clip from the video where I bought Spaz. It was a work van, carpenter's van, very, very dirty. This needs repaired, the handle. It's got one of the seats in the back already gone, but I will be deleting this seat and that one back there. A lot of cleanup, and I did gain a fire extinguisher, which is nice. Anyway, and then around the back here, you can see how dirty the floor is, and that again is the bench seat, the back one that I'll be taking out. This will be fun. I can hardly wait. Needless to say, VanGo is a little dirty. I have been cleaning for 2 hours, and all I've gotten done is half the steering column and the jockey box. This is gonna take a while. I don't know what that's for. See that little hole? It's got like a little protrusion in it. Maybe for a knob? I don't know. Anyway, clean first so I can stand to even touch it. It's pretty bad. No. What did I do with? Oh, there's my rag. Get in there, soak it up, and then hit it again. Yeah, this was a work van. Look at that. My boots don't even get that dirty, and I'm a horse chick. Ugh. We're expecting a storm tonight, so I thought I would just come in and get everything out of here. I might need a... Well, that looks better, huh? That's filthy. I cleaned on this one for a little bit, just kind of touched over it, but yeah, wow. Well, I didn't video it, but it's a here's a shot of the headliner. It had these brown speckles all over it, so cleaned it up, and here's what it looks like now. That's about all the cleaning I'm going to do for today. The dash looks pretty good. The steering wheel is a mess. Somewhere down the road I might order a new one. For today, I'm happy and I can touch the dash without getting grossed out. Well, I'm not going to dive in with anything real difficult. I'm just going to fix the armrest today. First, repair job on old Spaz VanGo. I have almost got this off. If you want to know if Gorilla Tape sticks, well, I would say the answer is yes. I got this, there we go. Got that off. I bought the whole thing with this inner part too. I'm going to take out those screws. I'm going to go find a screwdriver and I shall return. I don't know if we're getting anywhere or not. It's a little grayish color on there. Kind of like the color of the glue, so maybe it's doing something. So it seems to be working if I just like apply the Goo Gone and let it sit for a few minutes. Well, there you go. I think I got pretty much all the goop off of there. Might be a few little traces left, but for the most part I am pleased. Okay, I'm gonna get that handle out of the box and see if I can get it in there. Now, thought I might as well include you in this. I did have it open already, but I taped it shut so it wouldn't fall out. It's the right color, it's just not sun faded. So it comes in 2 parts. You put this on and then you snap this onto it. That's the plan. Okay, back from the hardware store. About 50 cents worth of washers. They laugh at me when I go in there. Okay, so I decided to, can you see in there? Anyway, to put some metal washers in there. I don't know if that's good or bad, or if I should have done some soft rubber washer or something. I don't know. But where's my thingy? For as easy as a fix as this is, it sure has taken me. And there we have it. It's done, and it works really well. If nothing else, I managed to make a lot of smoke. So there we have it, seat down, taking it to the dump. This is gonna be a blast, just so you know. I'll be back, and I will be sure to include you in all this, and I'll see you really soon.